Hi everybody, welcome to EduTap, and today we are going to discuss a very important topic, which is what should be the target score for NABARD grade A examination, especially in 2024 year when we have seen the shocking changes. What were the changes? So basically, if you look at the cutoffs of the year 2024, specifically for the final merit list, they were more for the categories, reservation categories for SC, ST rather than that for the general category, right? So with such changes, what should be the safe target score? Today we are going to discuss that. But before that is an announcement for all the aspirants who are preparing for NABARD grade A exam. If you want to know more about the organization, about your role, what will be that once you join the organization, you can download these e-guidebooks. Along with that, all about the recruitment process. For example, how many phases are there? What is the pattern of each phase? What is the syllabus of the exam? What are the previous year cutoff trends say about the difficulty level of the exam, and what not? Whatever question you have in your mind, we have already covered in these e-guidebooks. So you can download them free of cost. The link it is provided in the description box below. ठीक है चलो now let's just come to the topic that we are going to discuss today, and first let's see that what have been the cutoffs for the year 2024. ठीक है अगर हम phase 1 की बात करें तो phase 1 and phase 2 में we have observed the usual pattern where for the EWS and unreserved category the cutoffs have been almost same. Means the cutoffs have been more than that for the reservation category. जैसे कि reasoning में it was 3.25 out of 20 marks, ठीक है, and for SC ST OBC means the other reservation category it was 1. For English it was 10.75 for EWS and unreserved, and 7.25 for the other reservation category. Computer knowledge में again 4 being the higher end for the unreserved category. Quants में भी 4.50. Decision making 2 means on all the cases for now we have seen that unreserved category के लिए हमारी कट ऑफ ज़्यादा रही है. And in fact simultaneously please observe also that what have been the cut off in your respective category. ठीक है coming to the merit section in general awareness 1.25 it was that, 3.50 and 6.25. See, if I tell you, if you observe the cutoffs that are there for all the section, we have observed that cutoffs are like quite achievable if wants to do, right? And these are usually 30 to 40% of the particular section. ठीक है अगर बात करें in your phase 1 there is an overall merit also. There we have seen 47 थी आपकी जो overall merit थी, and after that we had that for SC category, then OBC category I mean, and then for SC ST and then EWS. ठीक है means as EWS पहले थी and then for ST. ठीक है we had this cutoffs. Talking about phase 2, once you clear phase 1 you enter phase 2. Then in that we had for the unreserved and EWS we had for paper 1 that is of English 54 out of 100. 54 was the minimum cutoff that you had to score. Paper 2 we know it is divided into 50 marks objective, 50 marks descriptive. If you have no idea about it, I would request you please download the e-guidebooks. All your queries will be resolved. There we have seen the cutoff was 22.25, but if you look for OBC it was more, right? So that is what we are saying, that this year there were various changes in the cutoffs that have been observed. In fact, if we look for the descriptive part, means 50 marks descriptive that comes in paper 2. For unreserved it was 32. ठीक है for OBC again it was 29.75, but here in objective it was increased, right? How does this come, right? Does these changes come where reservation have more cutoffs than that of the unreserved category? Basically it comes from your it comes from the number of applicants that have applied in that particular category and how they are performing, right? So it's not necessary that if all our people are like, if there are 50 people they are from OBC category, but surprisingly they have performed really well, means rather than the other categories, then their cutoffs of course they go higher. So you have to now keep this in mind, that you don't have to be relaxed just because you belong to any certain category, right? You have to push yourself as much as possible, क्योंकि आपकी categories कोई भी हो, it depends completely on the competition that is there. ठीक है यहाँ पे as you can see 22 was for EWS unreserved category, लेकिन आपका OBC के लिए इस बार 27 है. However, again I'll be honest with you, like these are very rare time it happens, not every time, but yes, the thing is that you have to be very much aware about it, and you have to prepare accordingly. उसके बाद out of 200 your paper 2 is of 200, एक overall merit भी आती है, that was your 126.75 UR category being the highest one, ठीक है. And finally coming to the final merit list जहाँ पे फिर हमको changes मिले, where for the unreserved category the selection cutoff was 168, but if you look for the SC category, like can you imagine, SC ST are the categories which always go the lowest, but here both SC and ST they were higher than that of the UR cutoff, ठीक है. OBC की भी देखो, that also went high, and for your EWS also it also went high, it was more than 168. Why is it so? Again, because see, competition is increasing in every category. You need to realize this. You need to realize that just because you belong to category any certain reservation category, you cannot be laid back, ठीक है. ये चीज आपको ध्यान रखनी है, and these are the proofs, right? So now what can be done? Now we have seen cutoffs and like what, how deviation there was it, like, पर अब क्या करना है, ठीक है. आगे करने से पहले क्या करना है, लेट जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड दैट हाउ द सिलेबस गो. तो यहाँ फेज 1 के सिलेबस में वी हैव 8 सब्जेक्ट, बट दे आर फर्दर डिवाइडेड इनटू 2 सेक्शन. First one being the non-merit, here you just have to clear the sectional cutoff, and the second one being the merit, here along with the sectional cutoff you have to clear an overall cutoff from general awareness, ESI and ARD. So for non-merit it's better that if you just try to get through the sectional cutoff, that's it, because these subjects are the one which are not going to get counted in the final merit list. These are the subjects which are not even going to make any impact in your phase 2 marks, right? Or these are the subjects which are not even asked in phase 2. So here only the non-merit section are only asked in phase 1, and that too here if you clear sectional cutoff, that's it. So your preparation should be accordingly. You should not prepare to score like full on quants, reasoning and English, because that's no use. The only aim is that anybody who had scored just like for example 3 marks in reasoning, or anybody who had scored 20 on 20 in reasoning, both will be weighed on same scale, because it is part of non merit. तो हमको non merit में सिर्फ sectional cut off clear तक करने का हमको ध्यान रखना है. But yes, in merit section we have to push ourselves. Phase 2 maybe we have paper 1 which is of general English out of 100, ठीक है. And for paper 2 we have ESI and ARD, that is also out of 100. देखो वैसे तो इसमें भी cut offs we of course we looked at, and of course we will discuss like what are the safe cut offs. But for phase 2 तो I tell to all my students that please do not just get laid back and rely on just clearing the cut off, because imagine if there are only 50 seats and 100 people have cleared those sectional cut offs for phase 2, right? Only the top 50 will able to fill the particular seat, right? So that is why it's very important कि आप phase 2 में the more you push yourself, the more chances you would have to get into the final merit list. So phase 2 may you have to push yourself. If for once anybody is getting confused, let me just highlight, your final merit list is made out of 250 marks, 200 from your phase 2, and then your interview which is of your 50 marks. So overall कितना हो गया, 250 marks से आपका बनता है. तो इस चीज को आपको ध्यान रखना है, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे if you look at it, your cutoffs, we have seen that it was around 25 if I say for objective, around 32 for descriptive of paper 2, and for paper 1 around मतलब 54-55 तक आप रखोगे तो you can clear the sectional cutoff. But you need to push yourself as much as you can so that you secure that position in the final merit list, ठीक है. अब past year analysis कुछ देखते हैं and समझते हैं, ठीक है, total marks कैसे कैसे रहे हैं, and then try to understand that what can be the safest cutoff. Like once you touch that in the exam, then you don't have to be skeptical about it that oh maybe I'll be able to clear or not, okay. If we look for quants out of 20, the cutoffs has been for past 3 years it has been around 3 to 4 only, and in fact a year before that 2021 it has gone 5, like which was the maximum it has gone to, right. So here if you look at it, if you score 7 to 8 marks, okay, that is like being in the safest side, okay, you don't have to think twice. Similarly that is like being the 40% of quants, okay. वैसे reasoning में देखिए out of 20 the cutoffs has always been on 3. So here also if you score 7 to 8 marks, you need not to then worry about will you be able to clear this section or not. English में भी out of 30 की अगर बात करें, the cutoffs have been 12, 13, 12, 13. तो यहाँ पे we recommend, जैसे बाकी cases में we were saying like 40% approx is doable, here we say like 50 to 60% कर लो, because यहाँ पे cutoffs थोड़ी comparatively ज़्यादा जाती है. So if you're scoring like 17 to 18 marks, you are on the safest side, then you don't have to worry about this section. Computer knowledge में भी if you're scoring 7 to 8, you can see the previous year analysis and you would have an idea. 10 marks का जो decision making आता है, there you are scoring 3 to 4 marks, then you are on the safer side. You need not to worry about the section. These were the sections which were non-merit in nature. Here you just have to clear sectional cutoff and that's it. Then coming to the merit section, the merit we have seen for ARD, it has around been 87. ठीक है, so that is why we say out of 40, because see it's out of 40 also. So if you're scoring 10, so you will be able to clear the sectional cutoff. You need not to worry about that. Similarly, ESI में तो वैसे it's been very less, only 3 to 4 range. लेकिन but it's out of 40 also. So here also we would recommend that if you're touching 40, that would help you to clear sectional cutoff very easily. ठीक है. जनरल अवेयरनेस की बात करें तो यहाँ पे भी 6 to 7, like if you're scoring 5 to 6, 6 to 7, then you will be able to clear the sectional cutoff. But what we have understood, there is an overall merit also, which has always been, if you see this trend, it has always been like 50 plus minus 5. If you see for the year 2021, ठीक है, we have given the analysis of last 3 years, but if you look for the 2021, that time it was 53 marks. ठीक है. So that is why every year I tell my students that go for 50 plus minus 5. Your cutoff will be 50 plus minus 5 only. ठीक है. Usually it will be on the lower end, but if you are practicing at that time, you can try to touch 55 marks, because cutoffs cannot go beyond that, because that will be like more than 55% of an exam. That it's a very very aspirational score. ठीक है. But like for example, if you're prepared sincerely and everything, and while practicing you're touching 55 marks, but in exam you're not able to touch it, you need not to worry about it, because if you're prepared sincerely and consistently, then the examination is on tougher side. And if it is on tougher side, it will be tough for all, and cutoffs will go low. Like for example 2022, it is a live example of that. A year before that it was 53 point something cutoff, but next year it was 41, because the examination was on difficult side. तो उस चीज को आपको चिंता नहीं करनी है, but yes, you have to push yourself so that you can score 50 to 55 marks in exam. ठीक है. Coming to then paper phase 2, ठीक है, there we have descriptive English. If you see the cutoff 49, 53, 54, so 55, 56 अगर आप cutoff ले आते हो तो आप cutoff clear कर लोगे, means इतने marks आप ले आते हो. In paper 2 we have 50 marks objective. If you look at, तो इसको आप 25 for safer side, you can keep the margin 25, and for ESI you can keep the margin as 35. ठीक है. ये अगर आप margin लेके चलोगे, so it will help you with the examination. यहाँ पे भी if you look at it, overall cutoff has been like 130, 128, 126 around. तो यहाँ पे अगर इफ यू ट्राई टू टच 135, यू विल बी ऑन द सेफर साइड. ठीक है. यहाँ पे अगेन यू माइट बी थिंकिंग मैम 25 कैसे, इस बार तो 27 था EWS का. डेफिनेटली दैट वाज देयर, बट देन अगेन इट वाज एक्सेप्शन, एंड इट डिपेंड्स ऑन व्हाट इज लाइक द कॉम्पिटेटिव नेचर इन योर पर्टिकुलर कैटेगरी. बट येस, you can then 25 to 27, right, like this range you can keep for yourself, right? Because you can imagine out of 50 30, so it's very like aspirational, it would be like 80% of the cutoff, right? So 25 to 27 is actually a good range. ठीक है. Now if I talk about for the final merit list, if we look for the last 3 years, यहाँ पे लिंक नहीं आना चाहिए था. ठीक है. तो लास्ट की अगर बात करें, फाइनल कट ऑफ की बात करें, so if you look for the last 3 years, 177.25, 50, 177.25, 168, it has approximately that cut off. This year UR's cut off was low, so that 170 got touched in your SC category and EWS category, right? So all in all, if you see, even if from UR perspective or overall perspective, you would find that cutoffs will touch 170 in either of the reservation category. ठीक है. तो उसी के अकॉर्डिंग you should try to touch 172, 175. थोड़ा aspirational I do understand हो जाता है, but when you reach for when you try to touch so much of marks, at least you will be very nearby it, and that would help you in the exam. ठीक है. तो if I say 175 तक touch कर लो, 174, 175, तो you will be able to clear the cutoff. ठीक है. Again what I have done, I have made this range for you. ठीक है. जो अभी हमने डिस्कस करा सेम चीज है कि कितने मार्क्स आपको किस में एस्पायर करने चाहिए to clear the sectional cutoff and total merit also. Coming to paper phase 2 phase 2 and final merit also. In phase 2 we have paper 1, paper 2 objective, paper 2 descriptive. This you can aim. ठीक है. इसको 25 से 27 रख सकते हो. ठीक है. And then coming to phase 2, around this much you will score 175 final merit list में. If you try to achieve that, at least you will be nearby it, right? And that would increase your chances of selection. So that was it on this in this particular video. If you want to buy courses, like if you are interested in buying coaching for online for NABARD grade A exam, we provide with online coaching. You have to just click on this particular link, and you will land up to this particular page where we we have explained everything, what are the things that we provide in our course. For 2025, we have come up with phase 1, phase 2 test series, where just in question format chapters and all the content has been given. But then we have detailed classes and concept notes and summary sheet, everything that is given in two format. One is silver course, where we provide content for phase 2 and interview. Then we have phase 1, which is known as there is the course name with gold course, where we provide content for phase 1, phase 2 and interview. So whatever suits you the best, you can explore that. And you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such video and content related videos, and also you can join our Telegram channel to get the PDF of this and every lecture that we provide here on YouTube. So that was all in today's session. Thank you everybody for watching, and all the very best for your examination. Thank you.